In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini in the address bar of Google Chrome. This quick and easy guide will help you generate stunning images right from your browser, enhancing your web experience with just a few keystrokes. Let's get started. First up, you want to head over to your Google homepage. Open your Google Chrome browser and navigate to Google. This is your starting point for leveraging the power of Google Gemini directly from the address bar, also known as the omnibox. If you're not already familiar with Google Gemini, it's a fantastic tool that allows you to generate images with simple text commands, providing a seamless blend of creativity and technology. Once you're on the Google homepage, you're ready to generate an image right away. Simply click on the search bar and type in your command. For instance, you might enter something like, Gemini, generate a majestic hybrid of a loyal dog and a powerful eagle with a canine body, feathered wings, sharp golden eyes, and windswept fur soaring through the sky at sunset. The key here is to use the Gemini prefix, which signals that you're making a request through Google Gemini. Following this, describe the image you want to generate in as vivid detail as possible to harness the full potential of the tool. After crafting your command, all you need to do next is press the Enter key on your keyboard. This simple step initiates the process, sending your request to Google Gemini. It's as easy as searching for something on Google, but instead, you're asking the algorithm to create something magnificent tailored to your description. Now, just a bit of patience is required. Wait for the response from Google Gemini. Depending on your internet speed and the complexity of the request, this could take a moment. During this brief wait, Google Gemini is working behind the scenes to interpret your command and generate the desired image. This process is what makes technology so exciting, turning words into visual artistry. And that's how you use Google Gemini in the address bar of Google Chrome. It's a quick and innovative way to bring your ideas to life without leaving your browser tab. This tool is perfect for artists looking for inspiration, teachers creating materials, or anyone eager to explore the creative possibilities of AI. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating with Google Gemini.